Ever wonder what to do with all those fall leaves piling up in your yard? Don't toss them just yet. Today, I'm sharing the top 8 ways urban farmers can put those leaves to good use. Stick around, because some of these ideas might surprise you. First up, use those fall leaves as mulch to insulate your soil. Simply spread a layer of shredded leaves over your garden beds to protect the soil from frost. This is perfect for insulating perennials or overwintering root vegetables like carrots and beets. And bonus, this mulch breaks down and feeds the soil naturally. Second, add leaves to your compost pile. Leaves are high in carbon, making them the perfect brown addition to balance out kitchen scraps and other green materials. Shred them up, mix them in, and let them break down over the months. By spring, you'll have rich organic compost ready to nourish your garden. Consider making leaf mold. Simply pile leaves in a shaded corner and let nature do the work. Over time, they'll break down into a dark, crumbly material that's incredible for soil structure. This process is slower than composting, but results in a rich soil conditioner that holds moisture, ideal for your raised beds and containers. Use leaves to create garden paths or walkways. Rake leaves into thick layers to mark off pathways between garden beds. They help prevent soil compaction and create a natural slip-free path that keeps mud away. And it's an eco-friendly alternative to gravel or wood chips. Make a simple leaf tea fertilizer. Fill a bucket with shredded leaves, add water, and let it sit for a week. This nutrient-rich tea can be diluted and poured over your plants, giving them a light nutrient boost. It's a fantastic organic option for feeding container plants, especially in fall when they need just a bit of extra support. Use leaves as bedding in a worm bin. Worms love the organic matter in fall leaves, and it gives them a soft, rich environment to thrive in. Add a small layer of leaves to your bin for worms to break down into castings, which are incredibly beneficial for your plants. Try using leaves to make seedling pots. Select larger, flexible leaves like maple or oak and shape them into small pots, securing with twine. Fill them with soil and plant seeds directly in them. When you're ready to transplant, place the entire pot in the ground. It'll decompose naturally, minimizing transplant shock. And finally, create a habitat for beneficial insects. Piles of leaves are excellent winter homes for ladybugs, lacewings, and ground beetles, all of which are natural pest control agents in your garden. Choose a quiet corner, pile up some leaves, and let nature take care of itself. Not only are these ideas practical, but fall leaves also bring incredible benefits to your garden. They improve soil structure, add organic matter, and slowly release nutrients as they decompose, feeding your plants all season long. Plus, using leaves means you're reducing waste and building a sustainable circular system right in your own garden. So, don't just bag up those leaves, put them to work. Try one or all of these methods and see how they transform your garden. If you found these tips helpful, hit subscribe for more ways to make the most of your urban farm, and share this video with anyone else who could use a few sustainable gardening tips. See you next time.